These chewy, not too sweet bars are just the ticket when you're having a snack attack. I like to have these in my refrigerator as I'm moving into this busy time of year. It's good to have something that you can just grab and eat, and it's a little bit healthful too. Well, not just a little bit, it's pretty healthful. So let me show you how easy it is. 5 ingredients. I've got old-fashioned rolled oats, some chopped almonds that I've toasted a little bit ahead of time, some coconut, peanut butter, and maple syrup. That's all there is to it. So first of all, put 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats into a mixing bowl. Add 1/4 cup of chopped nuts and 1/4 cup of coconut flakes. And then I'll just toss that up a little bit to mix it up. And in another bowl, I'm going to put 1/2 cup of peanut butter and then 1/2 cup of pure maple syrup. Put that into your bowl and then use your favorite mixing tool to blend it up, because you just want a nice, cohesive, smooth mixture that will pour over the oats. Just pour it right over the oats and the nuts and the coconut. Get all that peanut buttery goodness. And then just mix it until everything is coated with the peanut butter and the maple syrup mixture. And then I'm going to put it into an 8 by 8 inch glass baking dish. And I like to line it with some parchment paper first, because then I can just lift them out of the dish once they've been chilled. So what I do before I add the parchment paper is just give it a little squirt of some oil and spread it around just a little bit. So I'm just going to dump it right in and then just spread it out. Use your spatula. And then I like to find a glass or something with a flat bottom that I can use to just press the mixture down really tight. At this point, we can pop this into the freezer for 1 or 2 hours, then take it out of the freezer, lift the mixture out of your dish, and cut it into 8 bars. I like to wrap my cut bars individually in plastic wrap so that I can just go to the fridge and pull one out and throw it in my bag as I go out the door. You can see they're just kind of soft and they're chewy. They're really, really good. So give them a try. These are just really healthful snack bars. I'm Sue Doden, sharing good food for good life 365.
Lakeland News is member-supported content. Please consider supporting Lakeland News today.